San Elizario, Texas, is a place of serene southwestern beauty. Its lush green cotton fields mask the poverty and life struggles that continue in El Paso's Lower Valley colonias. From Socorro to San Elizario, Las Palmas, Sparks, Agua Dulce, Clint, Fabens, and Tornillo, Texas, and the many smaller colonias throughout the Lower Valley. In each of these communities, barriers to the basics in life still plague the low-income families that call these areas home. San Elizario continues to have areas of substandard housing, with half-built homes lacking access to safe drinking water. A lack of clean drinking water and adequate sewer and drainage systems are significant public health threats to the area's families. Extremely limited public transportation is also a major barrier, entrapping many of these families that can only afford one vehicle for the breadwinner. San Elizario is a community of about 9,000 residents, made up of mostly young families with children and elder El Pasoans. The most common occupations include work in construction, landscaping, warehouse labor, service industry, entry-level healthcare, and trucking. This community has a strong immigrant presence, consisting of mixed immigration status families that often are hesitant to request assistance at public facilities. These are the conditions that Centro de Salud Familiar La Fe found in 1996 when it opened its first federally qualified health center in the heart of San Elizario. La Fe opened its first site here as a small trailer, sitting on a wide-open piece of farmland just down the Mission Trail from the La Fe San Elizario Clinic's current location. We established a clinic in San Elizario to work closely with this community's families and to do what we could to support them. From these modest beginnings came today's La Fe San Elizario Clinic at 12101 Socorro Road. What we and this community have now is a modern, expansive, and state-of-the-art medical home serving the Lower Valley and East El Paso County Colonia families. The La Fe San Elizario Clinic is now a 17,000 square foot facility specifically designed to provide San Elizario's families and children with the type of medical home they need and deserve. The clinic offers comprehensive primary care with separate service islands for pediatric and adult services. Comprehensive primary dental care, also with age-specific service islands for the community's children and adult patients. Easy-to-access prescriptions delivered on-site. An educational kitchen where nutrition classes can come to life. And a spacious community room that can host patient education or nutrition classes, physical health activities, or learning spaces for future health professionals. This space is ideal for community events, such as health fairs or educational gatherings where local topics can be discussed. The La Fe San Elizario Clinic's bilingual team of healthcare professionals works hard every day to meet its patients' needs and proudly offer quality, affordable, primary medical and dental services. However, with the severe shortage of medical providers and other healthcare professionals to serve this area, La Fe is asking for your assistance to provide the level of services needed by San Elizario and the region's other colonia communities. A partnership with the University of Texas at El Paso's College of Health Sciences would directly benefit the people of San Elizario and its surrounding colonias. With this assistance, the area's families, their children, and elderly could have access to a wider range of services. These are services that would give UTEP's College of Health Sciences students valuable, marketable field experience regardless of their class level. These experiences could also serve as independent study courses for off-site college credits. Students would be able to work side by side with our social work team to address human needs. UTEP students would be helping La Fe's patients with information and referrals to human services and online application forms. These future healthcare professionals would be augmenting our patient education services in nutrition or disease prevention education for common healthcare needs. They could have the opportunity to provide hands-on assistance with physical activities and assist patients with diabetes management or with chronic diseases such as obesity. Students could also provide tutoring at this facility to supplement basic education assistance provided to children and adults. Your students would be showing the people of San Elizario and El Paso County's Lower Valley just how much UTEP cares and how it's ready to help our underserved Colonia communities. Ready to show San Elizario that UTEP and La Fe will work together to provide more needed services con alma, corazón y respeto. La salud de la comunidad es la fe.